In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a YouTube short into Framer. To get started, head over to your YouTube short and copy the URL from the browser address bar. Before you bring that link into Framer, you'll need to make one small adjustment. In the URL, remove the word shorts and replace it with watch?v equals, so the link becomes a standard YouTube video URL. This matters because Framer's YouTube component works best with a regular YouTube link format rather than the shorts version. Once that's ready, go into Framer and open the project where you want the short to appear. After the project loads, click the plus icon to insert a new element into your page. From the Insert menu, choose Media. This is where Framer keeps its video-related components and embed options. Next, find the YouTube component, then drag and drop it onto your canvas. Place it where you want the short to appear on the page. At this point, you can also adjust the size of the component so it fits your layout better. Since you're working with a YouTube short, you may want to size it in a way that complements the vertical video format and looks clean within your design. After placing it, click on the YouTube component you just added so it's selected. Then move over to the right-hand Properties panel. In the Video Link field, replace the existing link by pasting in your updated YouTube URL. Once the link is in place, press Enter to apply the change. Framer should then update the component and load your YouTube short using that converted link. And that's it. By converting the short's URL first and then pasting it into the YouTube component, you can quickly display your short inside Framer without extra setup.